Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Roblox VNG to normal Roblox. Roblox VNG is a Vietnam-only version of Roblox that is officially managed by VNG Corporation. This version is completely separate from the global Roblox app and it cannot be changed or switched into the normal Roblox from inside the app. The reason Roblox VNG exists is because Vietnam has specific local rules related to app publishing, payments, and content moderation, and VNG handles all of that locally. Because of this system, the only way to use this normal global Roblox is to remove Roblox VNG and install the international version instead. First, open the settings on your mobile phone. Now scroll down and tap on the app to see the list of installed applications. Here, search for Roblox and tap on it to open the app details. Now tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache so any temporary data from Roblox VNG is removed before uninstalling. After that, go back to your home screen. Press and hold the Roblox app icon until options appear. Now tap on Uninstall and confirm by tapping OK to completely remove Roblox VNG from your device. Next, open the Play Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, tap on the Switch account. Now select another Google account that is not linked to the Vietnam region. This step is important because the Play Store region decides which version of Roblox you can download. If a Terms of Service screen appears, tap on Accept to continue. Now in the Play Store search bar, type Roblox. Make sure the app shown in the global Roblox version. Tap on Install and wait for the download and installation to complete. Once the installation is done, open Roblox. Tap on Sign In. Here, enter your username, email, or phone number and log in to your account. After logging in, you will be using the normal global version of Roblox. You should have access to regular service, global features, and updates that are not limited to the Vietnam region. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.